Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7A, Tennessee. Thank y'all for tuning in. Today is going to be August the 22nd garden walking talk. Let's see what we still have growing. Let's see what's gone for the year and see what we got planned going on around here. Yeah, let's get into it. Just put up some more wire, connect this new grapevine. I'm gonna leave it here. I decided to leave it here. Planted some rosemary here, planted some more strawberries underneath there, and some more oregano. Yes, we got that. Still got the weeds around these Nat King cherry and them strawberries. Got to get that weeded still. Still got to cut that comfrey back. Still getting tomatoes on the Garden Challenge tomatoes. Yeah, we still got tomatoes. They still showing out too. Showing out. Clusters of tomatoes still. Still getting big ones. Still getting big ones. That's a good thing. This time of the year, still be getting tomatoes, special tomatoes the size of them. You know, it's a blessing. Still getting them on these. Still got some marigolds down here. Everything else I done pulled. You can see the leaves while I done shredded up, starting to fill these beds back up. Just making this one big long row. Put a wooden border here. Yeah. Still got peppers. Still setting some peppers. These look like they finna bloom again. I told you this year I'm just letting them rock till the wheels fall off. Trying to get as much as I can. Some of the cabbages starting to look better. I've been treating them. Creating this area over here is where my other two cherry trees gonna go. Well, 3 cherry trees gonna go right here. Yeah, blueberries looking pretty good. I'm starting doing some pruning on them, getting them pruned up, cutting the comfrey back because I'm using that in new areas that I'm starting. Dwarf canna's finna get ready. I'm finna move a lot of those out of the way. Moving these rose bushes out of the way. Probably gonna move my gooseberries too. I'm gonna move that bush apricot there. I got 5-in-1 plum there I'm moving. Yeah. Still getting green beans. Still flowering. Looking pretty good. Setting out new flowers. Gonna pick most of the green beans now. Yeah. Green beans are still coming. Got some turnip greens coming up here. Some onions growing up on the outer there. A few carrots coming up in here. Some more Olympian fig cuttings and some grapevine cuttings. Pineapple. Off inside the greenhouse. Get out of here. Come out of there. Onigami kumquats is just loaded. My Miwa kumquats is loaded. Got one actually is about ripe that I'm about to eat. Yes, sir. Got one Myers lemon. About ripe, a little smaller. Figs are still looking great. Everything's inside the greenhouse for now. Once the temperature drop even lower, all of these containers are going to the house because I don't want to take no dieback this year. That Panage Tiger fig is still looking good. It even look like it's about to put out some figlets. One of my pomegranates from Juicing with Jay is looking good too. Still, 2 is still not looking all that hot. I think they might be perished. Got some turnip greens coming up here. Strawberry bed needs to be cleaned up good. Clean some of that dead out. Get some shredded leaves off in there. So yeah, no, I'm probably not put the shredded leaves off in there because I don't want them roly-polies to eat my strawberries next year. So probably just be red mulch like not red mulch, but cedar mulch like I always do. Planted 2 sugarcane jujubes here. Some more strawberries here. Creating this new row right here. So I'm finna probably gonna put my plum trees and apricot and that Red Haven peach all over here. These tomatoes come up out of my compost area. 2 more sugarcane jujubes. Done pruned all these apples back. Getting off in here, finna redo this whole area with sheet mulch and compost. We're doing that, pulling weeds and stuff out of my herbs. Yeah, got a lot going on, a lot going on. Pomegranate here is looking pretty good. I'm cutting back this comfrey. You can see how I create new areas. Cardboard, comfrey. Then I'll be fall leaves on top of that. And then a layer of compost, then a layer of wood chips. That's how I'm doing it. So I won't even dig down that far deep past that cardboard. Just a little past the cardboard, set whatever I'm planting on top of it, and then I'll build soil up around it. I just think it does better like that. See these figs, some dwarf Cavendish I planted over here a couple weeks ago, looking pretty good still. One Musu Baju I put right here is looking pretty good still. My trifoliage orange is turning colorful like it's gonna lose its leaves. Yeah. So what's going on over here? Chocolate mint needs to be weeded real good. Dishwashing detergent and a little water there with a little oil. So I'm spraying my container trees, the leaves, so I don't take nothing into the house. Try to suffocate and kill whatever's growing on them. Then I'll cover the bottom with a tool to keep anything from coming up through it. Yeah, that's how we try to keep stuff out of our houses, with simple sprays and a tool. Pineapple guava still looking good. These bananas is looking excellent. Look at that Musu Kumanada. It's just beautiful. Carolina Kings are beast. Yellow guava is looking pretty good. My little fig cutting is looking pretty good. I might actually move that. No, I might not. Pineapple guavas look good. My little Mekong giant starting to kind of grow a little bit. Last things I got left to prune are these 2 big peach trees. They got to be pruned good, but you can see already they starting to actually show signs. See that right there? That's the fruit buds. You see double knots like that? One of them's gonna be a fruit. One of them's gonna be a fruit. So they looking like they gonna probably produce pretty good next year if them late frosties don't kill them. Been doing a lot over here. Moving a little red nectarine right here. Moving him. Moved a lot of these raspberries from this patch. Yeah. A lot going on. Most of my tunas I didn't even utilize this year. I done let them fall off. And yeah, don't got enough now to even utilize. Moving that crepe myrtle there. Moving that one. Yeah, a lot of stuff going on. Bananas, I'm gonna chop one of them back. Planning on creating a whole new area right here in front for just the rose bushes and some more flowers. Pears I have already pruned back. They're looking lovely too. My pineapple pear has dropped every one of his leaves. Kiefer pear still got leaves. Mungo or Mongolian, however you want to say it, still got leaves. And that barley pear still got leaves. But pineapple pear has dropped all of here. Yeah, that's what we got going on here. A lot of cleanup, a lot of planting, a lot of moving. These flower beds got to be redone. Moving a lot of these plants out of here, separating them out, putting some in the new garden row. Yeah, I mean the rose row. Yeah, that's what things look around here. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. It's Odom's Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7A, Tennessee. Runs my fashion. Y'all stay blessed.